So what we're looking at now is Blue Belt 3 self-defense, which is defense against the bear hug. There's defense against a front bear hug and defense against a rear bear hug. And what we're gonna look at first is front bear hug defense. So as the bad guy comes in and grabs me with his arms around me, my hands are here. The first thing we want to do is create space. So I'm just going to put my palms on his hips and push out a little bit, okay? From there, I'm going to use my rear leg to strike towards the groin, and then that same leg is going to get ready in a sweep position, okay? So there, just behind his leg. What I'm going to do with my hands, I hook his arms nice and tight. Now, as I sweep with this leg, this arm is going to hold on, this arm is going to release. So if we do all that at the same time, that is the position we want to end up in. My opponent's on the floor, but I still have control of his arm. From here, I can knee ride and I can strike. Okay, so let's just do that one more time. Front bear hug position, hands on hips, creating space, knee strike. Get that leg in position, hook arm, sweep. Hold on to one arm as your opponent hits the floor, knee ride and strike.